In this video, we'll go over boba network. What are the coin's fundamentals? And what price we may expect it to hit by the end of this year? With the current changes in SEC regulations, the cryptocurrency markets have definitely seen a change in the past few years. With the rise of meme coins and NFTs, cryptocurrency itself has now taken the attention worldwide, and we are now seeing a new market cycle in the crypto space. Before we begin, we are having a 900 XLM coin giveaway. To enter, all you need to do is give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, comment down below, boba network to the moon. And we'll announce the winner on August the 31st. Now, let's get right to the video. Imagine throwing $100 and turning that into over $10,000 overnight. Well, that's exactly what's happened with many people who have dabbled into cryptocurrency. Sure, no one really knows what coin can make you an insane return, unless you have inside information or know that you will be promoted at an insane rate. But simply looking at a coin's fundamentals can make the world of a change from investing into something that will hit rock bottom, or go straight to the moon. For this coin, many believe that a 10 to 50x can be very attainable as long as the coin follows through with a roadmap and enhances the network. So, what is boba network? Boba is an L2 Ethereum scaling and augmenting solution built by the Enya team as core contributors to the OMG Foundation. Boba is a next-generation Ethereum Layer 2 optimistic rollup scaling solution that reduces gas fees, improves transaction throughput, and extends the capabilities of smart contracts. Boba offers fast exits backed by community-driven liquidity pools, shrinking the optimistic rollup exit period from 7 days to only a few minutes, while giving LPs incentivized yield farming opportunities. To make an accurate prediction, first we need to look at the efficiency of the coin and any updates it might currently have. Boba's extensible smart contracts will enable developers across the Ethereum ecosystem to build dApps that invoke code, executed on web-scale infrastructure such as AWS Lambda, making it possible to use algorithms that are either too expensive or impossible to execute on-chain. $BOBA will be used for governance of the Boba DAO, which will be used for community initiatives and direction for the network's future. Each Boba holder will get 1 vote for every token that they stake on Boba network. Token holders will be eligible to submit proposals, vote, and delegate votes for proposals on the DAO in accordance with the governance guidelines. Considering all mass adoption takes place and Bitcoin having hit all of its consolidation periods, we can see the price hitting 95 cents by the end of the year. Having all this in mind and what the founders are doing, we can easily see the coin hit another 10 to 20x by 2025. Remember that the best way to make money with any investment is to be patient with your investments and let them grow over time. Comment down below for any cryptocurrency price prediction you'd like next. Remember, one should always do their own research when investing into anything. We are proud to provide any updates on cryptocurrency coins, but should not be taken as financial advice. If you liked the video, give this video a thumbs up as it helps our community.